Good afternoon, Best Academy, alumni, faculty, friends, family, and the class of 2024. I'm Joshua Salami, and it fills me with immense pride to stand before you today as the Salutatorian of the Best Academy. First and foremost, I want to thank God for having me here today. I also want to thank those who have supported us throughout our 4-year journey. It truly takes a village to get this far. As my mom would always say, you need a strong support system to be successful. Her unwavering presence has been my rock, and knowing I made her proud brings me profound joy. Our success, however, extends beyond family bonds. Through invaluable partnerships with organizations like the 100 Black Men of Atlanta and transformative programs such as the Emerging 100 and Project Success, our school community has been blessed by several mentors. It's undeniable that Best Academy has equipped us with exceptional programs and faculty of unparalleled dedication. On behalf of the class of 2024, I want to thank Mr. Randolph and our star teacher, Coach Goodrum. Mr. Randolph has put his blood, sweat, and tears into making sure that everyone in our class has the option to go to college debt-free and works tirelessly to make sure that future graduates have the same opportunity as well. Moreover, Coach Goodrum has truly changed the culture of the school, and I thank him for allowing me to work on my craft in the gym before and for helping me put on muscle for basketball. I know for all athletes, Coach Goodrum has fed us enough PB&Js and protein shakes to feed the whole country. In our tenure at B.E.S.T, we've shown resilience, initiative, and above all, perseverance. Whether it was early morning S.A.T prep sessions, after-school tutorials, or navigating the challenges of a global pandemic while maintaining academic excellence, we've shown our unwavering resolve. In closing, I am confident that each member of our graduating class will do great things. As Nelson Mandela once said, education is the most powerful weapon you can use to change the world. Congratulations to the class of 2024.